Forget that. Go ahead.
It's like the start of the God of the master dog. Cutting straight on. Aye. Collaboration, yeah. Dancing, party, the general, yeah.
Let's start the game in the club. People start acting crazy. Let's tripping all over the club. Looks like there is nothing on it. Let's start the game in the club. People start acting crazy. Let's tripping all over the club. Looks like there is nothing
It's
on
not
it.
hard, Joe. You know hard.
Everybody but somebody on this whole time.
What is beautiful?
Boy,
They can just leave it. You see? You see what happened just now?
María, fíjate que la pachanga no se puede acabar ahora. Cause what is party just getting started, baby. See what I mean? Yeah. Move your body, wind that body, baby. Shake your booty, shake that booty, baby. Muévete, 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 muévete. Oh, move your body, wind that body, baby. Shake your booty, shake that booty, baby. Muévete, 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 muévete. María, I don't wanna see you standing around me. Go, girl, move up your body. Yeah. La cintura, mami. La colita, mami. Muévete, 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 muévete. Oh, la cintura, mami. La colita, mami. Muévete, 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 muévete. Oh, María, sigue bailando. Por favor, no pares. Me encanta lo que haces. Yeah.
So no people there, right? Huh? Hey, it's a long time, is it?
A mi el oído viene una voz, mauteruti, tibia da una, oh loitie, mago alite. La dinastía ya no vamos a morir. La dinastía ya no vamos a morir.
yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, live. You know how we do it, 91.7. I'm on Sabakila and we have Steven Valentine. He's doing it, the little students just having fun in the studio today. But I noticed you know the man gonna play one super D song, Reckless. And we kind of man of Papa Yeah. Yeah.
A mi el oído
Bagoli. Yes, Monster, rest in peace. Yeah. Rest in peace, Santa Maggie. And Uncle Stefan, rest in peace. Once again. Yeah. Yeah. Low. Don't cut it, just give me a little pause and make it music play, Steven. Make it play and then you pause now. Alright, pause. Alright. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I say good afternoon here, beautiful culture capital, Griga Dana. This is how we do it. Someone especially the lyrics all the time, right? And I am a case, they want better. Let's have the vibes of right now. We have the little student. This is your school. Having, just teaching in the ropes, That's how it is here in Griga. So just having a good time. I remember 6-pack coming up. Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve, sorry, inside Island Bar and Breeze. So just building a vibes right now. We're gonna be on here for a few minutes and then we'll shut it off. So this is how we do it. Steven, give me something. Look, ladies and gentlemen, Steven give me low Super G. Who would guess? But you know what I mean? I love. Yeah. Then again, once again, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to give away something today, but we'll give away something. Just keep it locked here and give away something. We did at DIFA. Alright, thanks to the Lille Academy for sending the students in here to learn about the media, about what we do here at DIFA. Alright, so Hafenda Rahiha, Itale Mukate ya DIFA doing. It's been a nice little ride here today. Showing the kids how this thing work. Hopefully one day somebody pick it up, but it's it's entertainment at its best all the time. Steven, hit me there another one. Give me something. Right now. Not part of the Steven. Yes, I'm gonna call real quick call right now. That's what I'm looking at right now. It's just like that. Yeah, he's on the wheel of steel right now, and the control on the man land quick. Wait tomorrow, killer. You don't try to play shy then, okay? Yeah. I get for she run tomorrow. That's how we do the diaper. Right? Anything when you want to play, right, Steven? You play anything you want. I'm going to tell you what to play. You play what you like, or you want to take the people them like. You tell them what to get that diaper. I want to pick up the mayor and my I want to pick up Darrington Council, Westra. Steven, anybody we want to pick up? Mike Diane. We want to pick up.
Evening.
If you like you're back down to anytime you want to say something, you come in and say something. Yeah, so you want to go?
Evening, everybody. So I big up my friends. I big up my school for this opportunity. That's why we got everybody out there, my family. Yeah, that's about it, Mr. Alright.
Yeah. Alright. Give me something where like Steven tell me that. I mean, I make a call right now, but and then pick up. But try it again one time.
One must be busy.
One must be busy too. I was still asleep. Alright, again. Oris Francisco is saying that, so Steven. Yeah.
Yes, big up Lovafo. Big up Lovafo and all, you know.
Yeah, congratulations to those guys. And you went down, Steven, years? But I never gone by. I never see it. I never get to see it. But kudos, man. Congrats. I heard about the performance, and I never gone the performance. Yeah. Alright, so yeah. Take it away, Steven. Take it away.
Climb up the mountain and say it is too steep. If you don't watch nobody face, why maybe you are gonna reach. This one of all the people that watch and watch things, right? We might be one.
Low. Yeah, Rick.
Yeah.
Happy holidays, bro.
Hey, same to you, bro. Same to you, man.
Why, you know they're live right now, no?
Oh, yeah, like fun.
Why? Rick, yeah, what it going on?
Uh-huh.
I got Steven in the studio right now with for Dalil and Akila. For Dalil, 2 students in the studio right now, right?
Yeah.
But I tell Steven, because Steven control the wheel of steel right now. So I tell him, man, why, just go ahead and do the thing. You know the man on his play doing Super G and Reckless? Why?
The one with the music, man.
Fuck, the man know the,
The taste of music.
why the man know the show no love to no other artists. I said, what do you want?
It's really nice to go along and mix it up, man. That's great. Yeah, mix it up.
Talk to the man that's Steven.
Evening, Oaks.
Hey, good evening, man.
Yeah.
I like that.
And the school sent the man to the studio, so the man first said man a Super Jam. So where you going, Steven? What? I don't want that this man a plan this thing ahead of time before he get to the studio. Where you going here? This is a Super Jam Reckless day, but the man turned it into a Super Jam Reckless day, so we went along with the man, right?
The man got to taste of music, man. That's what it's on.
Yeah. So what I say to the people today, Rick?
I just want to say, I just want to wish everybody a happy new year in advance. And then we continue to push the music to 2025, you know. And as a matter of fact, for 2025, I will shoot Catch the Rhythm video. I want that to be a part of that too, you know.
But we could shoot that film, man. We could shoot that film. We know we do music videos. We've done a lot of music videos already, so just link me and we have the equipment, we have everything, we have the graphics. We don't get all the things in there, so if you want to do music video, you know how we do it, we could do it for you.
I don't want to do everything, a little versatile. Right, and I just want to invite everybody for the New Year's Countdown Bash. So we have been Around the 6 pack.
By 6 pack. Why?
Yeah, request a part of the 6, so you don't know the thing what lives.
Why because don't link for a long time too. So we're out there live too. Everything we're out there live. We're out there live. You are out there. Yes, man.
Next thing that they have a little guy in the area where we get affected by a motorcycle accident now. So we do a leaf for an example.
No, which one are they? No, which one are they?
Papa. Papa.
Yeah, we don't go a thing for the man already. I did like, well, once you call, you don't be there.
Right, money never enough, so we need as much as we could. So we plan something to do Papa and New Year's night. New Year's night, that's the first.
Wow,
I don't have bass and a band and some couple of musicians on board. I got Vida, I got Harlem Youths. You know Harlem Youths, so that's UB.
okay.
And if you have a musician who are joining for this class, they're welcome.
So we used to shout out all the musicians out to come on New Year's Day, New Year's night at Bacatown. You know, so LL spot so we could come and nice it up and, you know, show support for this young man. He needs our help. We need our help, so yeah.
The mission for 2025 for help as much people as they could through the music, you know.
Big movement.
Yeah, just like how we get the support, we are giving back the same support. So the mission for 2025 for help as much people as they could through music.
Alright, cool. Alright then, Rick, I was see you New Year's Eve and New Year's night, man. So yeah, man, enjoy the rest of the day, man.
Same to you, man.
Yes, man, bro. Yeah. Yes, Steven, give me something.
Hey, Toto, you're reckless. That way you really got to tell a chief about me today.
Yeah.
Because I'm worried.
You know that by internet they leave you home.
Hey,
No
Toto.
one can say this to you, man. They can flip you. You know you're like Charles, man. No, you they kind of carry this place for a woman. They have to tell it.
Originality, banana upside down.
You know what you want, you know what you want, you know what you want to do.
Banana upside down.
You know live with your mother. You know live with your father.
Banana upside down.
You know what you want, you know what you want, you know what you want to do.
Banana upside down.
You know what you want, you know what you want, you know what you want, you know what you want. Just wanna fly up there, one of the best of the best, the most I'm celebrating. Keep on. You want to live up your mind, right? We know we got jam. 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 Get the music. Looks like that. You did what you want. You did what you want. You did what you want. You know live with your mother. You know live with your father. Yeah. You did what you want. 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 6 to 1. You did what you want. 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 6 to 3.
Yo. Why? We got you right now on live right now, 91.7 FM. You be on the line right now. You know, we just shutting up all the artists right now. Just to wish them a happy holidays and, you know, make we take care of ourselves in 2025, making more bigger hits, bigger tunes. You know, so alongside here we have some students from DeLille in the house today. You know, so
It's a pleasure, man. It's an honor. Thank you all for the well wishes. Wishing you all a happy new year. You know, you and your families. It's kind of funny. Thanks for coming to record. Cook all the it already know.
why? Why? That you the cooker or let it cook? Why?
No, I mean the cook. Yeah, but happy holidays, man. Season greetings to the staff at Daifa. No, I was once, and I would still consider myself a part of the Daifa family. You know?
Yeah. Why? No, I always hear when they're up on stage, so we appreciate that.
Yes, man.
Massive love.
Yes, I appreciate it.
Yes, man. But why you fucking change? You change the mood just now when you talk about I talk just now. Fuck, I didn't want by the radar right now. Fuck you hit the spot, boy.
No, man, this I have to. So they feel like my I talk here.
Well, what lady?
All is well, can't complain. I believe she's well, she's at work, I believe.
All right, to that happens. I'll show up as many people today because then, you know, it's a countdown we start for now. Countdown.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
The dive away.
The dive away.
Yes,
Right.
right.
Yeah, man. So, thanks, man. Thanks for picking up the call, man. Keep, just vital up yourself and, have happy holidays.
I respect same to you guys.
Yeah, good. Let's go, Steven.
People
Is it? Yeah, talk about it, right?
originality, 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 Romano, do your banana, Alfredo. 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 Romano, do your banana, Alfredo.
Hello? Why? Chico Ramos, the prince. How you go? Why? They right there, so they calling and wishing all the artists a happy holidays, man.
Well, that's good, man. That's good. Whenever I trust that.
Yeah, man. You're in live right now for the radio, So, I got some students in at the Rocket with me from the Lille. Yeah, so we want to say to the people this morning, this evening.
Man, I'm happy to be alive. Happy New Year. Positive things must come to the new year. And then we are doing bigger things. Man, I feel so happy for this radio station today because this is one and only radio station in which everybody from Daifa, Chico Ramos and the Sweet Pain Band, a happy new year, a prosperous new year, and we'll keep things positive as usual for the new year.
Why, you said a mouthful, Prince. You said a mouthful, man. I mean, it feels so good to be a part of this entertainment and part of prosperity and the culture and the music all in one, and you have done it to one of the best in the world. So we're here to salute you because then without you, man, without all those big tunes, big hits, man, whoo, life may be sad.
And therefore, I have to thank you a million because you bring the music now to the world. Me, I heard that LA, we did that New York, we did all over the place.
Yeah.
We did that music all over the country from corner to corner. Without you, the world never may see all what everybody they do in the music industry from Dan Griga and the whole country to the world. So thanks very much and God bless you, and I wish that you have all the health and strength to keep on to do this so that we could proud of ourselves.
Well, thank you very much, Chico, man. This is what it's all about, sharing the love. Well, we don't have the young people, we have young people on our team now. And when we can walk, they were able to push it forward. So I think it's a bright future for Daifa, bright future for Garinago, bright future for the videography, and everything's coming live.
Right.
Yeah.
And tell my friend hello, the league guy will care about with you.
Uncle,
you know, a big help.
Yes, Uncle Paki.
Yes, you know, a big help.
Yes, guy,
you know what I like with him? The guy, helpful, hard-working guy. I wish her all the best, and I wish I could work with him sometime in the future too. Kind of a helpful guy.
Yes. Yes, thanks, man. Thanks for the kind words. I will pass it on to him. He will be on tonight for his sports show. That's you don't want to make a call of Paki now. I make a call of Uncle Paki. So he's Uncle Paki now.
All right, good.
Yes.
That's
Yeah, man. All right. Take care of yourself, man, Chico, man.
All Alright, then, all the best, man.
All the best. Yes. Yeah.
Oh, you need some counseling.
Yeah. Nice tune. I love it. You see how?
Oh, you need some counseling.
You see how? Oh yeah, for real? Right now for the back. We make a show. It's not a show, right? Just like that.
Oh, you need some
Just think about anything. You don't have to plan. You know, I don't want to look away. You don't plan for it. Just happen.
Oh, you need some counseling. Yeah. You don't wanna listen.
Hey,
You don't wanna take advice.
wow, I love this
You
tune.
always think you're right. You never say sorry. Playing with the future. Playing with the future. You don't seem to care. The things I'm trying to teach you. You don't wanna hear. Please listen. Some counseling. I want the best for you. Some counseling. Parents want the best for their children.
Yo,
You are the future.
yo. Happy holidays, Silas.
Yeah, same to you, man. Same to you, man.
Yes, man.
How
Yes,
things
man.
go, fam?
Why things is going good. We are you live on Life 91.7 FM radio station right now. You know, so I know
Okay.
you know how we do it. We do it in a way where people will be entertained. People will be educated here on 91.7 FM.
Yes, man.
Yeah, so season greetings, bro. That's what we give you a call. What you want to say to the people?
Well, I just want to tell the people right now, just want to make sure that, Dangriga and everybody else who they listen, just make them enjoy this day, man. We just have a couple more days before this year go to an end. Enjoy it in a fun. No violence, peace, love, music as always, representing the culture and things like that. And I want to shout out to all my family, man. Yesterday was my birthday, right? So I have to take the time for big up my man. Alba Sadio celebrating her birthday, and I just want you to listen to me live. Just want you to know she's son love her so much, and it's a happy birthday. I hope she could celebrate it 2 weeks before and 2 weeks after 1 month of celebration.
Well, it's always a whole month, okay? Whatever month you want to need, that's your month, the whole month of you. So
Yes.
happy birthday to moms, big up moms, man. She's a hard-working lady. I always see on the road. I went off on a ride. She don't want no ride. She wants to continue her journey. So
Yes, man.
that's a strong woman. So it doesn't go unnoticed. We notice it, and we keep her in our prayers to stay strong, so we can see her around forever.
Yeah, definitely, man.
Yeah, we're right there.
Yes, man, definitely agree. I'm feeling I'm talking about this, Yes, man, like what you said, man, very, very strong woman as well as many other women there so that I'm regard, they've been working hard, and if I never stuck at them, most of us were done there. Well, I could say all of us, we will be where we are right now,
Yeah.
So now the old school way of bringing up we have to tell you work, man.
Yes, man.
So, everything with you, everything blessed with you.
Everything blessed right now. We're in internship with students right now, so we have the students in the studios right now doing it. We're doing all the technical work,
Okay.
right? So we're just giving back to the community.
Yes, man. I want the students to know that they're the best stuff.
Yes, man.
No other place. They're home.
All right.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. All right, Silas. Thanks, man. Thanks for picking up the call today. We're going in the next few minutes. We're calling artists. That's all we're doing today. We're calling all the artists that we have contact with right now. We're just giving them a shout out.
Okay.
For them
Well,
to
I really
listen.
appreciate the call, man. You guys continue doing the good work, man.
Yes, man. Yeah.
Okay.
All right,
Yes,
Silas.
man. Yes, man.
Yeah.
I love you,
You're
Why method, how are you? Yo, boy, you're live, boy. You're live right now. You're on the radio, 91.7 FM, but also on Facebook. Right now, we call artists, man. We just wish them happy holidays, bro.
Yes, man. Same to you and the family, and to everybody that's you guys up and the south. Merry Christmas and happy 2025, man.
Yeah, man. So I said, well, I'm going to give Method a call because I know you pick up, you know?
Yes, man, you know.
Yes, man. So, you ready for the 31st? 6 pack?
Ready, man. We're getting ready.
Yes. We want to pick up that show as well that's coming up, man. And pick up your platform as well, man. I want people to tune in from 1 to 4 every Saturday. Pick up yourself, Method. You bring it out of vibes right here in the living rooms. People that we got on the world.
This Saturday, Culture John with DJ Heights and Buju B.
Why is that?
Yes, man.
I think I sell off. I don't feel it.
Yes, man. I think I said off, man. Ready, die for ready. Why make the girl ain't crying for?
Why? Yes, man. I can tell her right now, man, the feeling towards this 31st event, it's really super. It's a super
Yes,
event.
man.
Super event. Super people,
Yes, man.
super organization, going through for 2020, bringing in 2025 with a bang.
With a bang, you know it's going.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. So what's your final words to the people?
Man, just be safe out there, man. Because how kind of craziness is happening nowadays, you know. So we just want everybody to be safe and live with love. That's like right there.
All right. So we are living with love. Soon down.
Yes, I never did that before.
Yes, man. All right, man. Thanks for picking up, man. Take care. Have a good rest of the day, man.
Yes, man. You too.
All right. Here you go. Yo, Junior.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We catch you by. We catch you. We track you a long time.
How you go?
But we're not good right now. Are they live right now? Is this a live phone call? You there for the air right now, man? You there for the air? Yes. Yeah, happy holidays, bro. Happy holidays. Thanks for bringing all these tracks to us, man. All these big tunes that you bring out. Make me feel good.
Yeah, I just want to see some greatest to everybody, man. Yeah, keep up the good work, like, but just every time the media, what's going on with the story, you know, like, really, right? But a lot of damn good job, but everything I have something that if I bring it live, it can live in the room, so I'm big up to another too.
Well, yes, man, thanks, man. I know the old man, the old lady, they really enjoy it, so we have to do it for those who can't make it out, for those who could make it out, you know, so we're showing it, we're spreading the love.
Yeah, okay, but that's what I said, for doing the production, thanks for all the support over the years, and big up Street Band Band, same way. And we look forward for a new year, doing great things, right?
Yes, man. Yeah. All right, well, thank you very much, Junior Man, man. Thanks for picking up the car, bro.
Yeah, welcome, man, you guys. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Yeah, that was Junior Man, ladies and gentlemen, live and direct, straight call. Yes, Steven. Yo, Gila. Good night, good afternoon. How you doing? You sound like you just get up, brother.
No, I just come down and come downstairs to get school. No, I'm going to look at the read, but alright.
Well, you know, we just call me with the part here right now, we call all the artists and the bands and stuff, just to wish them happy holidays, bro.
Well, I wish they thought to continue to be the same, you know, and enjoy life as it is, you know.
Yes, man, appreciate it, man. Yeah, so just enjoy it.
Tonight we're going to play a thing. Now tomorrow night, they will think for beginning the years, I think to wine at this point, yeah.
Tomorrow night, that's the 31st, right?
Yeah, tomorrow night beginning the New Year's at 1. So, yeah, invite other people for come enjoy it now, especially the older folks.
Yeah, you know, not to sell off, you know, I mean, everybody in town right now, everybody needs somewhere to go. You know, we just sweep through because we have a couple events. We have a couple events that we gotta be at, you know, so we will definitely come through and, you know, at least put up a half a set for the people, make the people say when to come out, how to come out, where to come out to.
Okay. Sound good for tomorrow, man. Look out for the same right now.
Yes, man. Alright, again, Gila, man, keep up the good work, work with Jammers forever, man, forever.
Thanks, man. Thanks very much. Happy New Year to you guys at the Diaper Radio Station.
Yes, man. Alright, thank you very much, Gila. Take care, have a good day, man.
You're welcome, man. You too. Thanks. Bye.
Well, I guess that's the end of the show. It's a quick show today, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for keeping it locked on 91.7 FM. So we have a lot of work to do. Alright, so we will see you again. All the artists, when we're not called, well, we'll call you again tomorrow and next year. So happy holidays, everybody. Are you?